The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Addition of Fractions, example 76, 10 by 13 plus 18, 20 by 39. In this example, let us see how zeros in the numbers can be handled in fraction addition. See the example 76 10 by 13 plus 18 20 by 39, where both the numerators of the fractions have zeros. Calculation is not difficult involving zeros, but there must be care in handling the placement of zeros in the result, and let us demonstrate this. The denominators are 13 and 39, and therefore 39, which is one of the denominators, is the least common denominator. Set the common denominator 39 in the extreme right of the abacus, that is, place 3 of the common denominator in the tens column and 9 in the units column. What is the whole number of the first fraction? It is 76. Set 76 in the section meant for the whole numbers, that is 7 in the 8th column from the extreme right of the abacus and 6 to the right of 7 in the 7th column. With this, add the whole number of the second fraction 18, that is, you have to add 1 with 7, which is 8, and then add 8 with 6. We can't do this, and therefore add 1 in the higher column and subtract 2 from 6, that is, subtract 5 in the upper abacus and add 3 in the lower abacus. The added value becomes 94. Now take the fraction part of the first number, it is 10 by 13. Set the numerator 10 in the extreme left of the abacus. The child should not mistake that the numerator is 1, and therefore the placement of the denominator of the first fraction in the left side of the abacus becomes important, as it should be set to the right of 10 by leaving one column. Now skip one column to the right of 0 and set the denominator 13 there. By keeping your left hand on the 13 and right hand on the common denominator 39, how many 13s in 13? By saying 3, you clear the 13 and set 3. With this 3, multiply the numerator 10 by saying 30. You should have to set 30 in the section meant for the numerator. That is, 0 should be set in the 4th column and 3 in the 5th column from the extreme right of the abacus. The separating dot will also help the child to understand the lowest digit in the numerator section is 0. Now clear the numbers set in the extreme left. After clearing, set the numerator of the second fraction in the extreme left of the abacus. That is, your numerator of the second fraction 20 should appear in the first 2 columns from the extreme left and the denominator 39 in the 4th and 5th columns of the extreme left. By placing your left hand on the 39 and right hand on the denominator 39, ask how many 39s in 39? By saying 1, you clear 39 and set 1 there and multiply 1 with 20. Now add the number 2 with the number 3 already in the numerator section. That is, add 5 in the upper abacus and subtract 3 in the lower abacus. Now add 0 with 0 in the numerator section. The total of the numerator is 50. In this problem, your numerator value is 50 and the denominator value is 39. Now ask how many 39s in 50? By saying 1, add that number 1 with the whole number 94 set already in the whole number section, thus making it 95. At the same time, the excess 39 must be subtracted from the numerator, which is giving us 11 as the remaining value in the numerator. At this stage, you check all the three sections. You have 95 as the whole number, 11 as the numerator, and 39 as the denominator. The answer is 95 11 by 39.